Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable protect mail activity for mail privacy protection on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, we're going to tap on Settings, and in the Settings screen, go down and tap on Mail. In here, go down and go to the Messages section and tap on Privacy Protection. In here at the top, tap on Protect Mail Activity to switch it on or off. Okay, so if this is turned off, you will have the option to simply just hide the IP address or block or remote content. Okay, so you can do that. Otherwise, you can turn on mail protect mail activity, and it said that mail privacy protection works by hiding your IP address and loading remote content privately in the background, even when you don't open the message. This makes it harder for senders to follow your mail activity. So basically, whenever you receive a new email, the mail app will automatically randomly assign an IP address to that mail, and then it will open up that mail by default through some proxy servers, so that the sender will not be able to track your locations, and it won't be able to track when you open your mail. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.